Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to auto-delete messages in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Telegram app, and here it usually opens up in the chats, where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, tap on settings, then tap on privacy and security. Here, as the second option from the top, we find auto delete messages. If we tap on this, then we can turn this function on and set a time limit for the auto deletion, which means that, for example, after 1 day, our messages are going to be deleted. So it won't be able to check back, or 1 week, or 1 month, or we can just set a custom time. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.